My check engine light came on the other day on the B8 S4, and this was the code that popped up. P0456. Very small leak detected. So based off of my research, it could be a few reasons why that code came up. The more common one is either a loose gas cap or a bad gas cap. If not, then either a bad vapor / charcoal canister or a bad purge valve. If not any one of those, then it could be a small leak somewhere within the evap hoses. I have already double checked the gas cap, erased the code, and driven the car for a few hundred miles, and the check engine light actually came back on. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is to replace my old gas cap with a brand new OEM gas cap. So here's the OEM gas cap that I bought. Got this off of ECS Tuning. It was a little over $50, which was actually not that bad compared to the other components that could go wrong for this specific code. But I'm going to start with this first. I'll put the link down below if you want to get this too. Now, let's go ahead and replace that old gas cap with this new one. All right, so let's get this old one out. My old one, the rubber little string that holds it in here has already deteriorated and broken off. So twist this counterclockwise, pull out. Now I gotta remove this little guy here so that I can install the new string holder and install the new gas cap. So as you can see on the new gas cap, there's two little tabs here to press to be able to remove this guy here out of that slot. I'm just gonna use a pick tool and force this guy out. All right, pop this in and lock in your new gas cap. Oh wait, I forgot to mention, clean this area first and then install your new gas cap. Now let's go ahead and clear this code, put some miles on it, and see if the code comes back up. All right, put a little bit over 700 miles after installing the new gas cap, and the check engine light has not come back on. So I'm thinking that that is the fix to that specific code in my case. But let's double check by scanning the car and seeing if there's any code. All right, let me turn the car on. Go to select control module, engine, and fault codes. No fault code, no fault code found. All right, so I guess in my case, it was actually just the gas cap. So if you guys got this code too, hopefully it's a simple fix like mine's. Now, if you guys missed a video why I tuned my B8 S4 with the Jackal Motorsports tune, make sure you guys go and check it out right here. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here. Thanks.